Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin again. Where are we going with Bitcoin? What's happening now that the kind of macroeconomic situation could be getting worse or could be getting better? We just don't know. We don't know who to trust, who to believe in this just now. So this is what's driving the market just now. However, I have to say that Bitcoin has really held up well for this. This could have easily went down to the $29,000 I was talking about because of everything that's going on. But it's held up surprisingly well and even tried to get back above that $39,000 area. Can't quite get past that. That's kind of really strong resistance at the moment. So let's take a closer look at this. So we zoom right in just now and see what we've got from here. This is on the daily chart. And we can see this $39,000 area, which we tried before to break, and we couldn't actually break it until really it was the 4th of February. We kind of broke right through, but came back down again on the 20th of February. And then we've kind of stayed in that area for some time, but we're trading within a range of between 39,000 and 37,000, about 37,000. So a $2,000 range we're trading in just now. So for me, this is actually quite bullish. Because it's not fallen down. It did fall initially, obviously, when we got news. It did fall initially below 35,000 down to 34,000, but then jumped right back up again. And it's not really fallen since. And in fact, it broke the $39,000 area. It just didn't close above it, and it's not closed above it yet. But again, it's trying. It's at $38,034 just now. So if there's peace talks just now, if they are talking just now, Russia and Ukraine are talking just now and everything's resolved, what can we expect to see? Well, I think we can expect to see Bitcoin pushing through that $39,000 area and pushing towards the $45,000 area again. But I'm really quite surprised at how kind of strong Bitcoin stayed at this level. So I think we could be in for a big kind of upturn if things work out just now. So this is all ifs and buts. With just now is Russia, Ukraine. After Russia, Ukraine, if they kind of sort things out and everything gets back to normal again and treaties are signed and all that kind of stuff, then obviously the economic situation in kind of Europe and Britain and America and everywhere else is going to come to the fore again. So will they raise interest rates in March because the markets have already went down? Possibly not. So the markets could go up. So they won't have to kind of print any more money. But because the stock markets have went down, they're not so worried about the interest rates again. There's just lots of things happening just now. But initially short term, if Russia, Ukraine gets sorted out and nobody else gets involved, which is a big ask, I think we could see this big push through from through the $39,000 area and up towards $45,000, and then we'll see where we go from there. Above 39,000 is bullish. Above 45,000 is extremely bullish. This is a close. Anything below 39,000, we're still eyeing that $35,000 area. But just now, it's looking less likely to go down than it is likely to go up through the $39,000 area. So that's where we are just now, just looking or thinking about the macroeconomic situation as well and the kind of geopolitical situation and everything else that's going on. It's looking okay for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has stayed strong, and I'm kind of pleasantly surprised how strong it stayed, and I'm kind of happy about that as well, obviously. So that's it for Bitcoin just now. Anything below 39,000, we're kind of bearish-ish. Anything above that, then we're bullish. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.